Drivers, Matt Hancock, Driver Health and Fitness Coordinator here, and we're at the Prime Inc. Terminal today in Springfield, Missouri, and I'm going to take you through just an easy routine you can do to lessen your back pain and to help aid in your weight loss journey while you're on the road, or if you got some time here at the Prime Terminal, you're waiting for your truck to get serviced. So we got some stations set up behind us here, and all we're going to do is just run to them, practice some hip mobility drills, and then on to the next one. So let's get to running. Alright, so the first exercise we're going to do is all about balance and hip stability. And so we're going to do some single leg RDLs is what they're called, so Romanian deadlift. So hands out to the side, fist, clench, and then from here, big toe stays down on that right leg and you're going to come up like that. This is great because winter's coming up and the last thing you want is to slip, trip, and fall on some ice. So we're going to do 10 of these each side. Other side. So the cue you want from your foot is you want that big toe pointed down, gripping the ground the whole time. Last one. Perfect. Alright, so the next exercise in the sequence are called hip airplanes. So something very good if you're dealing with back pain because it's going to strengthen the hips and add some mobility to them as well. And very good for balance. So right here, left foot down, right leg is going to go back. Use this for balance if you need to. I'm going to try it without it first. And then right here, you're just going to rotate your pelvis up, and these are challenging. So pelvis up right there. So all movement is coming from your upper groin area. And then rotate back around. Other side, so same thing as before. So we did the exercise on the other side. You want that big toe planted down, and then from here, leg goes straight back, and then slight rotation right here. Okay, perfect. Station 3. So what we did there was just a simple exercise routine you can do just on a break time, on your 30-minute mandated break, or just while you're waiting in the terminal like we are here. Just takes a few minutes of your time to have long-term benefits. So 5-6 minutes, pick some stations, practice those balance drills, and you'll see a whole lot of benefits from the result of that. Take care, Prime drivers.
Hey Prime drivers, it's Sarah, registered dietitian with Driver Health and Fitness. Today I am at the Springfield terminal and I am next to the cafeteria. Let's talk a little bit about breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal.
Okay.
It can help you stay full and fueled throughout the day. It can also help with preventing overeating later in the evening. Let's take a look at the menu. There are a couple different options that I would recommend. We have an egg sandwich. This can be eggs, we can add some vegetables to it, and let's make sure to ask for whole wheat toast to make it balanced and nutritious. You could also ask for a chicken or turkey link to go on it or on the side. That would provide your body with more protein, which is important to have protein to help conserve lean muscle mass. On the other side of the menu, I would focus on the veggie omelet. It contains egg, which is a great protein source, vegetables, which is going to provide our body with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Knowing what foods are going to best provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, fiber, carbs, proteins, fat that it needs is so important. Knowing what to look for when you are having breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks is important for overall healthy lifestyle. Remember the foods that provide your body with optimal nutrition and make those a part of your everyday life. Drivers, stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.